Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.